Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Richard Yu, CEO of Huawei Consumer Business Group.
Hello, everyone. It's nice to meet you around the world virtually. We will move our global launch to online, and I hope all of you stay safe. We bring the new generation of our P-series phone. In every generation, Huawei P-series smartphone is leading the smartphone photography in the world. And today, this year 2020, we bring you the new P40. We will leave the mobile photography to a new height. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Huawei P40 and the P40 Pro. And also today, we also bring you a P40 Pro Plus. Another phone, three phones. P40, P40 Pro, and the P40 Pro Plus. And also the surface is highly scratch resistant and durable. Because the ceramic is very strong. It's a diamond-like shining, but it's sapphire-like toughness on the surface. It's amazing. And this phone brings you the quad curve overflow display. It's the first one and the first and only quad curve overflow display. It's very unique. It looks like the water overflow on it. This is the best display panel. 6.58-inch flexible OLED display with a very high resolution, more than 440 ppi, and you can support 90 Hz screen display ratio, refresh ratio. And the P40, we are also using a 6.1-inch, also flexible OLED, more than 420 ppi. It's more than capable for your eyes. It's also DCI P3 HDR display, anti-blue light and cinematic color system. Our 6.1-inch is much narrower than the other phones, only 71.1 millimeters. Our large screen, 6.58-inch phone, more large screen than other phones, but much narrower, much compacter than the other phones, only 72.6 millimeters. Our 6.58-inch, much larger screen phone, even narrower than the other 6.1-inch phone. Unbelievable. Amazing engineering work. And more lighter, more large battery inside, you can see. The new generation in-screen fingerprint, which will achieve the 30% up unlock speed. P40 Pro and P40 Pro Plus, IP68 rated, water and dust resistant. And Huawei P40, IP53 rated. So on P40, we have 5 colors for your selection. And the P40 Pro, also 5 colors for your selection. And the P40 Pro Plus, 2 unique colors. Premium, elegant color, ceramic black and ceramic white. Every generation of Huawei P-series phone leading the industry smartphone photography. P40, triple like camera. P40 Pro, quad camera. P40 Pro Plus, penta. The main camera lens is ultra vision wide angle 50 megapixel RYB sensor. Light aperture and large pixel, very large sensor. And also have 3 times optical telephoto. And also with ultra wide angle 16 megapixel ultra wide angle sensor. Today we also upgrade the color temperature sensor to 8 color channel with a multi spectrum. The P40 Pro even more advanced, more higher. The main sensor ultra vision wide angle 50 megapixel RYB sensor with OIS optical image stabilizer inside. But we also introduced the ultra-wide thin camera, 50 megapixel. It's amazing for videography. On P40 Pro Plus, it's Really amazing camera. The camera monster. You know, we have dual optical tele lens, 3x optical telephoto for mid-range, and a 10 times optical telephoto for long range. It's unbelievable, amazing. The most powerful optical zoom, most powerful camera lens on smartphone. And all these three phones, we installed amazing large pixel, large sensor. This one is a 50 megapixel HUAWEI sensor. And with this leading camera lens technology, we bring you amazing ISO, over 400,000 ISO. Unbelievable for on the P40 Pro and P40 Pro Plus. P40, we also achieved over 200,000 ISO. It's really amazing. This can give you a strong capability for low light photography. The HUAWEI P40 series phone also brings you strong and powerful AI photography. The AI scenario recognition recognize the face feature or the posture, and detect and give you a best moment, best recommendation. The AI also can help you to remove the pass-by. Let's see. The AI also can help you to remove the reflection. The AI can help you to do a lot of things. But today on P40 series, we also bring you the most powerful intelligent front camera, 32 megapixel AF camera on the front. And also with the IR depth gesture camera, and which can bring you probable fake effect and also smart gesture control. And also help you to have very good face unlock capability in a low light condition. And also with ambient and proximity with the sensors for your inside. And all the AI functionality inside. You know, that's the P40, P40 Pro, and the P40 Plus. The only difference is the P40, this is 32 megapixel is FF camera. And the P40 Pro and 40 Pro Plus, that's AF camera. With this, the very leading powerful front camera, you can take a gorgeous 4K selfie video. You can see this. How good detail, amazing detail you can take. And also we provide the swipe to scroll and a grasp for screen capture. This is a smart gesture control. You achieve the actual low light videographic capability, over 51,000 ISO on video. We have dual view video capability. With a dual camera lens on it, one lens for the wide angle, the video you see the whole scenario. Another lens can zoom in, can see the detail. When you watch football, one lens can take the whole football match. Another one can close to one player. And a directional audio zoom. On this phone, we have 3 all-direction microphones. With our beamforming algorithm, we can take a video. The video can direction to beamforming on that video. So it's really amazing directional audio room. The HUAWEI P series smartphone also bring you the powerful performance. Inside this phone, with the most advanced flagship 5G flagship SoC, the K990 5G. Today on P40 series, we're introducing the eSIM card. Another SIM card, you can install a nano memory card, and you can use one physical card or another eSIM card, or dual nano SIM card, or one SIM card, one eSIM, one nano SIM, or another with nano memory card. We can give you more choice, more selection. And we have the most powerful Wi-Fi 6 Plus experience. Our P40 series, we can achieve over 2,400 megabits per second. Super fast speed, the Wi-Fi 6 speed. Because we have the leading Kirin chipset, super fast charging, 40 watts, and the world's fastest 40-watt wireless supercharge on smartphone. And also we bring you a convenient multi-window operation.
Swipe in from either side of the screen to access the Edge panel. Touch and hold the app you want, then drag it out. Here's what multi-window looks like.
Today, we also bring you a seamless connected AI life.
Hey, Celia.
The Hey Celia is HUAWEI's AI assistant. And we will, in more and more countries, we will introducing this Huawei Hi Celia, is a AI assistant. And today we introduce the MeTime, a high definition video phone call and IP phone call. You know, today that's Huawei, we launched the Huawei mobile services from February. And Huawei, you know, last 10 years, we partnership with Google and to support the Google GMS, Google Mobile Service. And we bring the huge revenue and profit to the US companies. And we have good cooperation and partnership. And because from the last year, the US ban, and the new Huawei phones, we cannot use the Google GMS. So we launched Huawei's Huawei HMS, Huawei Mobile Service, as an alternative solution. Today, we have Huawei App Gallery already have achieved over 400 million monthly active users, and the developers over 1.3 million developers and partners globally. The App Gallery, Huawei App Gallery, and give you more choice. That you can support the normal apps and also the quick apps. The quick apps is web-based, HTML5-based apps. So give you more fast speed, more convenience. Here is, for example, that we partnership with many app developers, with leading content companies like the News UK, and for example, on the Huawei App Gallery and the Huawei Assistant. And also we partnership with a game developer to put their game, the latest games on App Gallery. And the Huawei Video, and also we have partnership with the international, the global, the best content and premium channels to integrate in the Huawei Video. And the price and availability for this product, and the P40, the price is 799 euro. It will be available from 7th April. And the Huawei P40 Pro, the price 999 euro. It also will be available from 7th. This is the Huawei P40 Pro Plus. The price is 1,399 euro. It will be available soon from